Tutorial I will discuss about indexOf method. So indexOf method returns the position of an array and there are three conditions. So in this tutorial I will show you the three conditions. What is the three condition, you will get it. And guys, let's start. So first of all, here I have a custom.js file. So for that I will show you the array indexOf method. There are two types of indexOf method: string indexOf and array indexOf. So in this tutorial I will discuss about array indexOf method. So for that I have to create an array. So where, and the variable name I would like to array equals to and square bracket, and here just I will put some value like a, b, c, d, and again I will put a I will repeat this one a. And now here I will use an indexOf method. So first of all, in the index.html file, just here I will write a h2 tag, h2, and here I will take a id, that is id equals to demo. The id name is demo because in this h2 tag I will show after using indexOf method. And here I will write a button. So button type is button, and here I will write a onClick method, onClick, and the method name I will write a function. So if you see, that is the short form of function and parenthesis, and here I will write the button name is click, but you can write any name of this button. And now first of all I will copy this function method name, and just here I will paste it, and here I will use fade arrow function. So the syntax of the fade arrow function. So first of all, here I will show you can write this way, right? You can write function keyword, and after that you can define the function, but here I will write fade arrow function. So here equals to an arrow. So this is the syntax of fade arrow function, and now curly braces. And now here just first of all I will take a variable like var, and the variable name I will write position. So position and equals to n. Now I will use indexOf method in this array. So I will copy this array variable. So array dot indexOf. So this one. So I is the small but O is the capital. You can see this is the indexOf syntax. O is the capital. And now parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis which element inside this array you want to find. So suppose I want to find the C element. So here inverted comma and I will write C. And now so after using indexOf method I have stored inside this position variable. So now I will print this position variable. So just I will copy this demo variable from here, and now document dot get element by id, and the id name is demo dot inner html equals to this position variable. And now save, and I will refresh here. So here is the button, and now if I click, so here it's returning the position is 2 because I want to find C. So you can see the array always start the position from 0. So A is 0, B is 1, and C is position 2. So that's why it's returning the position is 2. And now suppose again if I want to find D, so 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 0 is the position of 3. So it should return position 3. So refresh. So you can see it's returning the position is 3. And now suppose here if I want to find E, so E, you can see here E is not inside this any array element because E is not here. So that time it will be returned -1. So refresh and click. So here you can see it's -1 because so that means guys, when if you are finding any a string value or any number that doesn't occur inside this array, so that time it returns -1. So that's E is not inside this array, so that's why it's returning -1. And the another is here you can see A is 2 times, the first and the last. So now if I want to find the A, so what should be the return? So here it's returning the position is 0, that means this one. So always it returns the first element, because A is the twice the first and the also a last, but it's returning only the first one. So in the same way, suppose if I write here, instead of A, if I write E, and now if I instead of B, if I write B, so now B is the twice, the B is the number 1 position, because 0 1 and 2 3. So B is B is 1 position and also position 3. So now if I want to find here B, so save and refresh here. So here it's returning position 1, because 0 1. So it's always return the first element, so it's not returning this one, it's return the first element. So this one, so this is the second condition. And now here you can write the starting position. So suppose if I want to find E, and I know here in this first position E is not, so here I can write the starting position will be 1. So that means it will be start from here to here, because I know the E is not in the first position. So that's why I can write here it will be search from 1. So here I can write 1, and it will be return the same position 4, because 0 1 2 3 4, but it will be search from here. The array index will be the same, so it will be the 0 1 2 3 4, but it will be searched from here. This is the difference. So if you sometime we know the in the first position of an array there are nothing the value which we will searching. So this time we can set the position. So if I write here 2, so it will be searched 0 1 2, so it will be searched from here. So we can set the starting position here. So this is the last condition. So hope guys this video is help to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.